Hello everybody. I've got a wonderful Ditchwitch straight from the power company. I bought two of them from the same place, and I've used this one, dug up 1,000 foot of water line and used the hoe a pretty good bit and enjoyed every minute. Just a wonderful machine, low hours. 810 hours, I believe, the total time, and it's from my local power company. It's got the hoe on the front, the A420. Got a real nice bucket. I'm going to try and demonstrate that if I can hold this camera. This diesel running. The bucket's real good. Didn't have much use. The blade is nice and square on the bottom. Got the 3-cylinder diesel. Front's good every time. The front wheels and the back wheels both steer. That's the back. Here's the front. It's got the creeper mode, so you can crawl with it. Got great oil pressure. Tires are good. Has the new set of rock teeth on it. Of course, I put in about 1,000 feet of water line, and that's all they've been used. Just really been maintained well. If you get this one, you'll be very, very happy. The fuel gauge is the only thing I found that doesn't work. See this. It's got 811 hours. Got the Duke 3-cylinder diesel. It's running good, just idling. Let's try out that hoe real quick. Sprockets look good. Just have to bear with me on this. I think this is still going, yes. Okay. If I got it zoomed in too far. That for me if you would. It'll move faster if you have it at if you rev it up. But here's the outriggers. They work good off of these levers here. And we'll go ahead and button it up and do a little trenching next.